Right, service goes to Narayanpur. Score 6-7. What a match. What a changing by Podasai players. Big match, big team. Right, service goes to Podasai. Score 7-6. Score 7-6. Yes, score 7-6. Podasai score 7. Narayanpur score 6. Match is running. What a match. What a game. Game is running. Yes, Podasai versus Narayanpur match. Score 7-6. What a match. Afternoon match. What a shot. Podasai players, Narayanpur team players playing as well. Score 7-6. Match is running. Two team players chasing well. Yes. Devraj versus Chirabai. Narayanpur versus Podasai. This is Podasai home grounds. Match Narayanpur versus Podasai. Service goes to Podasai. Score 8-6. Podasai score 8. Narayanpur score 6. Match is running. What a changing by Podasai team players. What a rising. Game is running. What a match. What a match. Afternoon match. First match Podasai versus Narayanpur. Score 8-6. Good weather, good players, good team, good ground. Match is running. What a playing players, Podasai players. Podasai team score 8. Narayanpur team score 6. Game is running. What a shots, what a takens, what a timing. Good game. What a timing. Game is running. What a playing players. Yes. Score 8-6. Very interesting match. Challenging match. Right, score 6-8. Service goes to Narayanpur. Score 6-8. Yes, match is running. What a match. Score 6-8. This is Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. Narayanpur versus Podasai match. Yes, match is running. What a match. Yes, game is running. Score 6-8. Service goes to Narayanpur player Banu. Score 7-8. Score 7-8. What a rising. Narayanpur team players. Score 7-8. What a match. Narayanpur score 7. Podasai score 8. What a match. What a game. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. This is first match, afternoon match. Service goes to Narayanpur player Banu. Score Saman. 8 Saman. 8 equal. Score 8 equal. 8-8. Podasai score 8. Narayanpur score 8. What a match. 50-50. What a match. 50-50. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. What a match. Score 8-8. 8 equal. 8 each. Podasai score 8. Narayanpur score 8. What a playing players, two team players. Naranpur versus Podasai match. Yes, game is running. I asked one question. Who is the impact player? Game is run. Service goes to Podasai. Score 8 equal. 8 equal. Game is running. Service goes to Podasai. What a match. What a game. Score 8-8. 8 equal. Service goes to Narayanpur. Player Bannu. Score 8 equal. 8 saman. 8 each. What a match. What a game. Narayanpur versus Podasai game. Jadabai versus Devraj. Score 8 equal. 8 saman. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. Yes. What a game. Afternoon game. Score 8-8. Oh. Service goes to Podasai. Score 8 equal. 8 saman. What a match. What a match. What a game. 8 equal. 8 saman. Score 50-50. Game is running. Players playing well. Two team players playing well. Score 8-8. Match is very tension, I think. Tension match this is. What a taken by player. Good playing. What a player by Chulbul. What a taken. What a taken. Good game. Good match. Podasai versus Narayanpur match. Score 8 equal. 8 saman. This is Zaba volleyball from Podasai grounds. What a match. This is, I think, tension match. Two teams playing as well. Yes, game is running good. Score 8-8. 8 equal. Yes, match is very tension. Because 8 points. Podasai points 8. Narayanpur's points 8. Players playing is very tension. Yes, good game, good players. Service goes to Podasai. Score 9-8. Right, score 9-8. Podasai score 9. Narayanpur score 8. Game is running. Very tension match, I think. What a match, afternoon match, first match. Yes, game is running. Score 9-8. What a match. Players playing well. Shots taken. Timing good. Devraj versus Jadabai match. Narayanpur versus Podasai match. Podasai score 9. Narayanpur 8. What a match. Game is running. What a shots, what a takens. Players, two team players playing well. But who is won, who is lost? Please watch this match from Podasai grounds. Yes, good timing. What a match. What a game. Score 9-8. Score 9-8. Game is running. This is tension match, I think. Narayanpur versus Podasai. Yes, game is running. Players, two team players playing is very cool. Good game. Score 9-8. What a match. What a playing players. Yes, this is Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. Good game, good shots, good takens. Yes, game is running. Score 9-8. Padasai score 9. Narayanpur score 8. Wow. Game is running. What a playing players. Narayanpur players. Padasai players. Total 12 players playing well. What a shot. Yes. What a game. This is afternoon match. Podasai versus Narayanpur match. Game is running. Home grounds from Podasai. Big match, big players. Big game. Score 9-8. Podasai score 9. Narayanpur score 8. Match is running. What a taken by Nectar Narayanpur. What a game, yaar. Superb game from Podasai grounds. Narayanpur versus Podasai match. This is good game. Yes, match is running. Big game, big match. Podasai versus Narayanpur match. Score 9-8. Yes. Score 9-8. Match is running. What a shots. What a takens. This is a good match. Score 9-8. Wow, what a